Is my voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is my so we were talking about the data dictionary, data element. Any questions about the data element concepts? So we created a data element, right? What is the main purpose of data element? I think we have done also domain. We did domain as well? Domain. This is the domain. Okay. And the domain can be given inside the data element. This is the data element. And data element is going to useful in the tables and programs. Okay. Tables. What is the one word definition for the data element? If anybody asks what the data element concept, how do we will answer? Data element concept, if they ask, how do we will explain in simple terminology?
You say how a field will appear in the table.
So it's a data type. Simple.
Yeah,
Data
yeah,
type.
data type.
Data type. So the interview they will ask, can we store the data inside the data element or not?
No.
No. Right? Because data element
Yes.
is only data type. It's a
Data
data
type.
type. Data type. Okay. So domain, I don't remember exactly last class we have done domain. Gender, male, female. We have done right already.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, I'll show you where it will is in the real-time point of view. Okay, now especially domain. No? Data element, of course, we will be using every day. You'll get more clarity going forward. See, the domain is basically for the fixed values. Okay. If I go to, better you open all of you parallelly SAP system also. It will be more effective. If you open SAP system parallelly, if I go to here, connect. Right? If you go to here, domain, right? Open parallelly. Okay. Tables, what I said. Open S-Flight. These are the standard tables provided by SAP for training purpose. S-Flight. Open this table parallel in S11. Go to display. Right. What is the primary key here?
Car ID, con ID, flight date, flight date.
So that means airline code, flight connection number, flight date. That means with
Yes.
this record will be unique. If you go to the data, see the data here, contents, right? Go to the records here. This is the flight's information, flight details here, right? AA, right? What is AA? Open table parallelly. What is the AA? Think 1 minute.
Airline code.
No. Open parallel all of you. In S11, this AEA. Tell me what is this AEA? How do you know? Double click that. Double click here on AEA. See here. See here. What is the AEA here? American Airlines. Airlines name. This one. So what could be the same way? What is the AZ? Tell me what is the meaning of AZ? This is the data. Flight data. Flight name, flight connection number, flight date, price, currency, plane type, flight type, seats maximum, seats occupied, payment sum amount, how much is paid already, seats maximum in the B class, right? Available and occupied. In F class, how many is available, how many occupied. Okay, this is a custom fields. Don't worry about this one. No? Somebody has done some enhancement. This will give you the flight information. So like that, tell me what is the AZ? What is the AZ here? Same way what I did, right? I double clicked and I went through that.
Alitalia.
Italia is the airline's name.
Okay.
What is the other one?
BA, British Airways.
DL means
Delta Airlines.
Delta Airlines. See, basically to note, understand the concept here is the primary key concept point of view. See, this flight with this connection ID, flight number, on this date, it will fly. This is the primary key. Check it, is there any record which is repeating with the same value in these four fields? No, right? Do you see any record is repeating here? Any record is repeating with all the fields in the same record, same?
Yes, sir. The date is different.
So any one value will be different. That is the concept of primary key. Go back. Okay, here. 1 second. Open one more table. S book. S book means flight booking table, not actual flight. Not in the, this is not real time data. Okay. S book. What you see here, S book? See the short description. By seeing the short description, right, we know what is the purpose of this table. Single flight booking. Right? See that description. You understood the purpose of this custom table. Standard table. Is custom table or standard table? Two types of tables, right? Especially new people. Is it standard table or custom table?
The standard table.
Standard table. How is a standard table?
Because the name of the table is not starting from Y or Z.
Yes.
For custom table, we have to, as per the naming convention, we have to put Y or Z as the first
Standard
alphabet.
means SAP given table. SAP company has given this table. Right? See the data. See the data. What is the primary key here? What is the primary key? Or how many fields
MNDT.
is part of primary key? How many primary keys are here?
5.
Primary key is only one. Composite primary key.
1.
There are 5 fields. 1, 2, 3. All 5 fields together becomes as a one unique record. Based on the airline code, flight connection number, flight date, booking number. Right? With this, it is by unique record. See here, contents here. Right? If you go to here, see the data. You see here, this is flight ID, flight connection ID, flight date, booking ID 61, And this is customer ID information here. Customer type, smoker, right, or non-smoker, luggage, weighting. This is a flight information. The point here is, all of you, do you see there is a customer type here? Customer type. Tell me what is the domain for this one. Open this table parallel in S11. Tell me what is the domain for this data element.
Care 1.
Domain name. This is the
Domain.
data type. Care 1 is the data type and length. But I'm asking the domain. What is the domain for this S_cust type? This is the data element right here. What could be the domain? How do you know? Double click here. We'll goes to here. Again, double click here. This one here. It goes to here, right? Tell me here value range. You have any values? If you double click there, it goes to here. Tell me double click that value range, not double click. Click on value range. Tell me you have any values or not.
B and P.
Right? What is that
Business
B and P?
customer and private customer.
So business customer and private customer. Like this type of values, right? You want to maintain data as a fixed value. So this will go for the domain. I want to tell this concept of the real-time point of view, the purpose. Right? You got the point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is the business customer? What is the private customer?
Business class or private class.
What is the meaning of that? Business customer, private customer.
Suppose, for example, someone is going from a company and company has booked for the person. So that is a
Correct.
business customer. And private customer is, suppose anyone is booking for the privately for the flight, then it is a private customer.
Personal. Right? For example, I traveled yesterday, okay, through the company. So I'm a business customer yesterday. Okay. So if I travel from here to any on my vacation weekend, I'll become a private customer like that. So those values you are specifying here with B and P here. Back here. And like this, do you see smoker also? Check it the smoker. There is a field smoker. Find out the domain for the smoker and also the domain level values. What are the domain level values?
Smoker and non-smoker.
So smoker became X, right? Non-smoker
Smoker
means,
X, nothing there.
see here,
Fixed.
if you go to here, you go to here, value range, right? I think I click the wrong one. I should click here. Smoker here.
Smoker.
Go to here, go to here, go to value range. But you see here, you are representing the value inside this one as a X means smoker, that person. If you don't mention that, it become non-smoker. You can see the data here. It will allow only those values only. Here, if you go to here, contents, see here, customer type, see either B or P only. You don't see any other value other than that, right? And also the what the other one, smokers. See, only you see the empty means all non-smokers here. Okay. So this is the concept. Definition is domain will give the technical properties. This perfect definition. You can note down parallelly. Domain will give the technical properties to the field of the table okay, or to the program variable through domain, through data element. Interview question is, can we use the domain directly inside the table and programs or not? And programs, yes or no? Tell me. Can we use the domain directly inside the table and programs? Yes or no? This is the interview question.
No, sir.
No. You can use only with respect to data element only. Then only you can use that domain. You cannot use this directly in the program. Answer is no. How you can say no? How do you prove that? Everything right in the system, right, in this IT industry, as much as possible you should go through practically, and then you should practice that. Then only we can say is confidently no. Right? For example, we created some domain right here. So I not created domain task class. Right, this is what I created last class. How do you know? Click on display. Check it in the attributes here. Right? This is the last class session, right? 16.1. We are done. Hello?
Yes.
We can see here. Okay, this domain, I'll try to use in the program directly. Sorry, in the table first. How do you do that? Go to S11. Right? Go to the table what we created here. Right? So already I created a field here, but I'll give one more here. GEN, gender. I'll copy paste the domain name, not data element. Hello? Are you getting here point? This is the data element, not data element. I am pasting the domain here. Check it now. Check syntax. What it's saying?
Not active.
Not active, not available. Not active or does not exist, right? Why? Because you are trying to give the domain name here. We're getting the point here. Domain we cannot use inside the table is one simple definition theoretically. That theoretical question you want to get the practically, this is how you are applying. See. So now if you apply this way so that you remember the concept clearly. Got my point? Right? So theory
Yes,
is
sir.
easy. We can remember it. Or domain means we cannot use in the program. We cannot use in the table. Correct. That is only theoretically we will like a mug up. But if you apply this concept here, you know, oh, okay, this error is throwing the error message. We cannot use it. Okay. The same way how to use this ABAP program. I said that ABAP program we cannot use it, right? How to do that? Go to SC38. Right? Create a program. Domain usage. Click on create. Use of domain. Type as executable. Okay, here I'll declare one variable. What the data statement purpose?
Is used to declare variable.
To declare data objects, perfect terminology. To declare data objects, we use the data statement. What are the data objects? what are three data types? Three data objects. One is variable. Second one is work area or structure. Next, internal table.
Internal table.
Okay. One is for single record. This variable is to store single record. To store single record. Okay. Work area is to store, sorry, not single record, to store single variable value. Okay. Here work area to store single record. Okay. And the internal table is to store
To
more
store
than
multiple records.
to store more than one record. In the runtime, this is very important. Okay, now I'll declare one variable here. V underscore generator gender type. I'll copy paste the domain name here. Okay. Now, as per the definition, it should throw the error message or not.
Yes.
Right? Check syntax here. Do you see it's showing as error message? Because this was the proof of domain cannot be used in the ABAP program. Domain cannot be used.
Cannot be.
Inside the cannot be used. Cannot be used inside the ABAP program. Okay, without a data element, it is no use at all. Okay, so we cannot use this one here. Now, few more tables we can discuss about the domain point of view. Go to cells BBAK. Click on display. Choose the document category, sales document category. Do you see some fixed values here? Table name is BBAK. Field name is document category. What is the document name category field name here? VBTYP here. Data element is VBTYP here. Double click here. Go to domain. Go to value range. Right? See here. Got the point? Hello? So only this type of sales documents only is possible. What do? Is you create one domain as a homework with this values. I'll put in our group. Create a domain with the below values. So if you try to do it right, you'll get some challenges. Okay. Domain name should be start with Z or Y. Start with Z or Y. Okay. Okay, one more. So one more thing, I think here, sales transaction group. Right? For this field also you see that domain names, this is fixed values. So generally, if you are small fixed values, right, male, female, like these cases only we go for smokers, non-smokers, right? Plain type. Even this one also is a small data only, not very hundreds of records, right? So for this type of information, to make it fixed values to be given, we go for this domain concept. You also create one more domain with these values. Okay. Okay, so here, what is the purpose of intervals and value table? Hello?
Sorry, again.
What is the purpose of here? The intervals and value table is there, right? What is this two?
Good. So your screen is not visible, sir.
Oh, sorry. I think I'm not. You see my screen now.
Yeah.
What is the purpose of this one? Intervals and value table.
Okay. Acha. In intervals, it can have a lower limit and upper limit. But in value table, there will be only fixed values.
No. Can you explore this and tell me tomorrow class?
Okay, sir.
Practical. I need a practical example. What is the purpose of intervals and value table? Okay. You see my screen now, right? And if you click here, okay. Can you explore yourself? Okay. What is the purpose of these three? Routine. Now also you can explore. You can try to tell me what is the purpose of routine, sign, case sensitive. Open parallel in your system as well. Routine, sign, case sensitive. Routine, sign, case sensitive. This I need you to explore. Okay. Next, right, quickly we'll go to the foreign key. What is the foreign key? What is the foreign key? Hello? This is the basic building blocks of IT industry. What is the primary key?
Sir, it is a reference of
Sorry.
primary.
Not primary key, foreign key. What is the purpose of foreign key? What is the purpose?
For data consistency, foreign key is made.
Example?
Example, suppose sales order header table is there, and accordingly the line item table is there. In order to maintain data consistency, primary foreign key relation is made.
Other than SAP, assume that you are not knowing anything in SAP.
Okay.
Think as a layman perspective.
So it is a reference of primary key in another table. It will give the reference of primary key.
What is the technical terminology? Business point of view. Suppose you join the Capgemini, okay, company, database table here. Suppose you joined as a fresher, okay.
Sir, in general, sir, school means student ID or student roll number is a primary key, then student name is a foreign key.
No, instead of that way, you can understood this way better. Look, say the company database table. Here, CG company, once you join into CG Capgemini, you go to training department. Okay. Training department table here. Okay. So you join here, right? Say your employee number is equal to 100. Okay. Employee number 100. Okay. 200. 200 means two people are joined. Employee number 100, employee number 200. This is a department table. Once you join into Capgemini, then department table you go for training purpose. Well, they are entering here employee number, training module name, location, okay, like this. Now here, while you are entering the data into the training department table, can you enter 300? Department name is training department name, training department name. Okay, department name is or training module name, training module. Okay, maybe ABAP, for example, ABAP. Location is Bangalore. Is it correct or wrong data? This is separate table. This is separate table. It's a
Wrong
table
data.
one. Wrong data. Why is it wrong data?
Because 300 employee number is not inducted to Capgemini.
He has not joined into the cab journey, but you are trying to put into the training department. It's
Training.
not correct, right?
Yes.
It should not allow. That's where your concept of primary foreign key will come into picture. It's a table 2. So this you should be able to explain clearly if anyone asks these concepts, especially the freshers, anybody who are trying for fresher job. This is the industry, complete the foreign key concept here, not to enter the wrong data, right? So we'll simulate this quickly now. What we do, we'll go to employee table is available already, right? Here. We go to here. Right. Employee table. I'm editing here. Okay, this is employee number now. So I'll create one department table. Okay. I'll go to here. C11 ZMAH underscore department table. Click on create department table. Okay. Application table, maintenance allowed. Go to fields, use MA and DT, right? ZMAH DEPT number. Okay, double click data element, create a data element. Click on save, click on enter. Click on yes. Okay. So we'll give here department number. Built-in type, right? We'll give numeric 2. Okay. Go to field label 10. Department number. Department number. Rule. Department. You can use same as well here. Right? 15. 10. Save it now. Check syntax. Activate. Click on back. Okay. Check syntax. Sorry. This should be MANDT, right? Complex MANDT. Right? DPT number. Department number also. We'll make it as primary key here. And department name. ZMAH D name, department name. Double click here. Click on S. Yes. Department name. There, right? Milton tab, character 40. Okay. Field label, department name. Department name. Dual. So you should practice this one after the class, the same thing, what I'm doing it. 2 tables. 10. Table here. Save it. Check syntax. Activate. Back now. So I need employee number also here in the department table, right? EMP number. Now tell me, can I use the data element or not? What I created already. Hello? Hello? How to search the existing data element? Search here. Right? Employee number already I created here. Save it now. Check syntax. DEPT number. Oh, so this is the DEPT name. A lot of concentration is required, all of you. Check syntax. Yeah. Activate. All right. You should give this information as well. Save it. Back. Enter. Okay. Now I will insert the data. Better is through how you to insert the data. Better through the TMG. It is a table maintenance generator. What is the purpose of table maintenance generator?
ना कौन उठे कहा पे लगी
What is the purpose of TMG? Right. Go to one step here. Do the scan here. Click on create. Package. Package. Why this error is coming here?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir. TMG means table maintenance generator. It will enable the user to enter data in custom
Correct.
table. No?
Yes. You can delete, create new records and all.
Yes.
Oh, some problem in the screen here.
So last time also that authorization group is not taking. No?
It was taken, right? No?
Oh, we take that and TMP.
Oh, no.
something.
This name, right? I should give this name. I'm giving the wrong name. Go to utilities, development and generator. I should give this name. With this name, it will create. One step. Embed. Click on create now. Right? Package here. Enter here. Right? Click on back. Right? This is a child table, department table. Go to here. Try to insert the data through SM30. Go to SM30. Right? Click on maintain, edit. Department in this new records. Department number 10. Maybe SAP department. Employee number. I am giving 500. Is it wrong data or correct data? Because in the employee table, 500 is not there. Hello?
It is wrong data, sir.
Yes, wrong.
Wrong data, right? See here. Employee number, you have only 100 employee number. You don't have 500 employee number. It should allow or should throw the error message?
Error.
Error message should
Error.
throw.
हम चुप पूछो
Right? Save it here now. But it is allowing. Why? Because
It will
relationship we
make
have
the
not created.
space.
No, relationship I have not yet created. Right? Foreign key relationship create, then only it will create, it will do that validation.
Okay.
Hello? So now how to do foreign key? Put the cursor here. Click on foreign key. This is the foreign key. Right? Go here. Foreign key short text. And check table as your parent table. employee table. This table. You should give this one as a parent table. Take this one, Control C. Right, and go to here. Copy paste here the employee table, means parent table. We call it check table in SAP terminology. Click on generate proposal. Now the link will happen now. Click on copy. Keep this one as it is now, no need to understand this one, no? This point. So it is going to check. This is a dependent table, foreign key table. This is a check table, means parent table. Click on copy. Save it. Check syntax. Activate. Okay, now try to give the wrong entries into the child table. Go to here. Right, go to the child table here. SM30, where is SM30? Here. Go back, back, back. Again, go to SM30. Click on edit. Right, go to new entries. Try to give some different employee number. Java, for example. Employee number you give as a 999. It's not available, right? See, the drop down box also came automatically because not drop down, search help. We call search. Right, now try to give this value. Now it will throw error message or not?
Yes.
Right, why? Because you created a
Foreign
foreign
key.
relationship now. See here. Do you see error message here? So you are trying to insert a person into training department who has not joined into our Capgemini. It's not correct, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the concept. So here, which is the parent, which is the child table?
Employee table.
Here, right?
Yes.
Employees parent department is child.
This is employee table, is a parent table. Parent. And it is the child table, no? Is department table. Is a child. So while entering the data into child table, for employee number, it must exist in the parent table. You got my point? Concept, you got it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what I do is I'll give you homework. Okay. How do you know foreign key for a specific field in the system is in the standard table? So see here. If I go to MARC table, MARC is for standard table for materials with the plant. Go to MARC here. Click on display. Right? Put the cursor here. Click on foreign key. Do you see what the foreign key here? Which is the parent table? For MAT and
Mara.
Mara. Okay. For example, if you go to a works, what is the foreign key table? Parent table. Put the cursor here. Do here. T001W is the parent table. Double click here. It takes to here. This is the parent table. Can you create yourself the table like this table? So same way you create. Don't create work include. Okay, here. Create ZMARC table. Okay. With the above fields and also with these fields and also with the below fields. Create the foreign key, same as in standard tables. Okay. Create domains also for this custom table, same as the standard table. Standard table fields demo. Okay, can do this one. Hello.
Yes, sir.
If
We'll
you practice
try.
that, you get some challenges automatically.
Okay.
Okay, na?